Agile versus Waterfall project management. Agile. 1. Flexibility embraces change throughout the project. 2. Iterative develops in small, incremental steps. 3. Customer-Centric focuses on continuous customer feedback. 4. Collaborative encourages teamwork and communication. Waterfall. 1. Structured follows a linear, sequential approach. 2. Fixed scope defines all requirements upfront. 3. Limited changes, difficult to accommodate late changes. 4. Phases, divided into distinct phases. Thank you for your support. Your likes, comments, and follows mean the world to us.